Hi, welcome back to Julia's Crafting Space. My name is Julia. In this video, we will be making a bow using 2 different types of ribbons and 1 pipe cleaner. We are going to be using a long ribbon measuring about 50 inches and another one measures about 13 inches. So first, we're going to start with our loop, and every time we make a loop, we're going to do a twist. So this way, the print of the ribbon is always facing up with our bow. So it's looking like this. I'm just going to do about 3 loops and then adding the shorter piece that measures 13 inches on the top. Now we're just going to tie it with the pipe cleaner and just do 1 twist on the back and leave it like that, and then we're going to do our second bow. So this one measures about 69 inches. It is longer because we will have more loops on this one. So before I continue, I want to say thank you for all the new subscribers. I've been seeing I've had a lot of new subscribers this month. I just want to say thank you, and don't forget to like every video and to share my videos, and let me know in the comments if you're liking this content. So now for this one, we're just going to do the same as the other one, but we're going to add more loops. And we're also going to add an extra piece on top of the bow that measures about 11 inches. And with the same pipe cleaner, we're going to tie it. And we're going to do about 2 twists. And now we're just going to fluff our bow. And you can add as many different ribbons as you like and loops as you like, depending on the look you're looking for. This is just a very easy way to make bows for your wreaths or any crafting you have. There you go. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.